Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a delicious and wonderful banga soup recipe. So let's get cooking. Hi everyone, my name is Joyce and you're welcome to our second episode of our feature Thursday series. If you've been following my videos or you're my subscriber, you know that we've already done the first episode where we featured Stella, my friend, who made that lovely and wonderful grilled fish recipe with roasted plantain and roasted yam. Guys, I got a lot of positive comments for this recipe, and if you've missed out on it, don't forget to check it out from my list of videos. And today we have a special guest for our second episode of our Feature Thursday series. His name is Misan, and he's going to tell you what he'll be making today. Here he is. Come on, sir.
Hello guys.
So guys, this is Misan, and today he'll be showing you what he'll be making. So enjoy.
Okay, so banga soup. I'm from the south part of Nigeria, also known to some of you as the Niger Delta, where banga soup is a very important part of the cuisine over there. Many people are under the erroneous impression that banga soup is a very difficult and complicated soup to prepare, but I'm here to tell you today that it's actually super simple, and then I'm going to show you how. Let's do this. But before we do this, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and after hitting the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all future videos from this wonderful channel.
Thank you.
So these are ingredients for our banga soup today. Here we have the banga paste or the banga sauce. I'll come back to this. We have seasoned fresh fish. You can use whatever fish you want. You can use catfish, you can use mackerels, you can use hake, but just make sure that you have your seasoned fresh fish, and you have your salt, you have the seasoning cubes, you have your scotch bonnet pepper, onion bulb, and the banga spice. We also have the fresh shrimps. You can also use fresh prawns. Then you have the cooked goat meat, and you have the crayfish. Now, you could also use periwinkles. Unfortunately, we don't have periwinkles right now, but you can use periwinkles and add it to the list of ingredients here. Now, for the banga sauce, we are using this sauce today because this is what we have available. Back in Nigeria, the way they do it traditionally is that they get the palm nuts from the tree, they cut it down, and then they get the palm nuts and they use hot water to kind of squeeze it out and squeeze the oil out, and that's the oil that they use for the cooking. But this right here is equally as fresh and as tasty as the fresh palm nuts, squeezed palm nuts you get back in Nigeria. So yes, let's get the cooking started. So guys, I saved this part for the last. This is what I use to give my banga soup a unique taste and texture. So what you need to do is to get smoked mackerel or any form of smoked fish at all and shred it. Shredding it, it's going to, get inside the soup and will give the soup a unique texture. It's going to thicken it and it will give it a unique texture and taste.
Guys, this is so sweet, so yummy. You can have this with poundo like I'm doing, or with eba, or the most important one, you can have it with starch like our Niger Delta people do. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye bye. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe by Nissan. I hope to see you guys next time. Keep an eye out for my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.